Okay, welcome back. So the parlorista is here, Barbera and everything. So let's try kung if effective ba siya. Video ko na. Hello mommies and girlies out there, welcome to my channel and welcome to my beauty center. Okay, so this time we're going to do, what is it? Hair dyeing. Okay, temporary for like 2 months. It's not permanent. So we'll try out this hair dyeing. We have found it in Facebook, so we'll see if it's applicable for this kind of hair. Okay, so watch out for the video. Okay, welcome back. So what we need is what we need. Wait, give it to me. Where the we're gonna try this color. Okay, so it's CAWAI CAWAI cosplay keratin treatment hair color. So it's color sideng, right? Red. So this is my customer this time. Okay, so red. For 4 packs, it cost only for how much?
100 something.
100 something. What's 100 something baht? So it includes the delivery. We paid 200 more something plus baht. Okay, so for 4 colors, we'll try if this will have a good result. And then we need tissue. It's in case smudges. And then and then plastic. Okay, we're just using this to cover the hair later. So we let it stand out for how many minutes? Nakasulat daw dira. And then gloves. So we will have to use gloves to not make us dirty after. So this is my beauty station. This is my beauty station. Okay, and this is Kazi. Okay, my model this time. Okay, so check it out, guys, and see what's the first thing we have to do. Okay, first is Kazi already bathed, and then and sabi is you have to take a shampooed hair or make shampooed hair. So mag-shampoo daw. So let's try. Okay, so by the use of our gloves, where's my gloves? Okay, gloves first. So following the instruction. Okay, gloves first. Why you have to use gloves also? Okay, so the gloves tayo para iwas COVID COVID-19. Okay, shampooed hair dried already.
It's
so
dry.
It's already dry, but it's not shampoo. It's shampooed.
Yeah.
Okay, it's already shampooed. So what we need to do is mix this, right? Or you have to do right away like that?
I think.
Mix? Why you did not mix? Okay, we'll have to mix it first, okay?
And then so we need this bowl and then the supply. The supply. So it says here, mix it up. It says here inside, because only the cosplay player use this one because it is only temporary, so it will not stay long. So probably around 2 months. So because it's summer, so we'll try to use this. Okay, this is how back to school. So let's see if it works. So my challenge, our challenge is if it's effective for her and it's nice to see, then I will do it for my own different color. Okay. So Kathy will do it for me. So it says here you just have to put onto the hair right away. Mix. Do it. Okay, just mix. It looks like floor wax. Smells like what? It smells like. It's like shampoo. No. It's not really that hard smelling thing like the hair dye that we used to have for blackening and other colors. Little bit, what is it? Like, little bit humongous.
Welcome back here, guys. So it's already 20 minutes, right?
25 minutes.
25 minutes. So we're gonna have to rinse this part, and then after rinsing, use
Dry.
conditioner, and then we will blow dry. Let's see if this has been okay, good for her, or effective ba siya. Okay, tingnan natin kasi nahiya siya. So we'll get to you. Bye, guys, later. So magbanlaw mo na siya. Okay? Yes, only two pa.
No changes, I think. So, we'll have to blow dry, okay? By the use of this. Mga lang.
Dapat sa parlo namin kayo ginabit. Ay, red. Gamay lang. But not as red as that red.
Tapos yun yung super red.
Pwede git yan nila.
Pero ano ba siya? No need, ano ba?
Kung pure imong hair eh, pero really pure
Pero pure man siya.
More excited lang ka. Wala pa gating tumingin.
Hindi 5 minutes na to. Araw, kanirang nakulira. Ano na red? Katol?
Asan red mo?
Katol lang yung bulok mo. Katol?
Have red but a little bit. Only when nasa siguro sun. Okay?
Ah! I think skin dye eh.
Skin dye. Not hair dye. Hair red siya, small lang. Parang brown. No changes. So, for the recap, kailangan talaga i-bleach yung hair. Okay? So, we need to bleach first. May red siya, but small only. But not really that red that we expect to be the result. Okay? So, my hand here, only that. Okay? Nothing more. So, guys, hopefully, Papamanadry ang buhok. So, we'll wait another few minutes para mag-dry talaga. And then, we'll see if there's red thing. Okay? So, bye-bye for now. And tabayanan for the next video. Okay?